Hello everybody, it's Brian. Okay, so I'm going to show you that I am in now my Visual Studio. The charting application that I wanted to go with, I got finally built. I put together some instructions because it just doesn't work with the older Infragistic reference DLLs. I've got a whole set of instructions on what you need to do to fix that. I'll get to that in a minute. But mainly, I just wanted to show you that this does build. Okay, so I can run it right from within my my Visual Studio. It's a beast of an application, so it takes a bit of time to run, as I can see on my other screen. Just give me a second here. Okay, so here it is. This is the application I've been wanting to build out. As you can see, these do float. So we have 5 pieces, 5 different applications that we can work. First, we have our real-time stocks that are coming in. In the source code, I've looked at how you can feed data into this application. There's also, once a position's opened up, the positions and how they're doing in real time, and then of course our charting. I'll show you that in a minute. Plus we have our trading history of all our positions or orders that we put in, and also we've got special things for messages. This kind of feature I kind of like, and we have also news, so I could get that from something like IQ Feed, and that's not a problem. And yeah, I can get that from IQ Feed and feed that into my system. So let me show you. Here's all the positions. As you can see, we have a portfolio manager. We have different snapshots. Here's our different charting. I'll get to that in a minute. So as I said, we have our messages, trade history, news. Let me go back to our charting. As I said, real-time stocks. So I know we want stock analysis. Okay, so I haven't done this yet, so let me just see how we do here. Apple. So let me try another one. IBM. You can see it's quite different from. Maybe IBM's not in the data set. Amazon. Let me just choose one of these that pop up here. Whoop. Let me see. I'll just try this guy here. So this is a live chart. All the different types of chart you can get. Pretty cool. We get. We can. Obviously zoom into certain time periods that we want. What else do we have here? Let me think here. So we have sales volume. We have different views, 1 year, 1 month. And of course you could probably break it down to even tick value. And of course we have our heat map. Again, that's similar to the other app that I was showing you from Infragistics. And so it looks like this gives you a little bit price per earnings per ratio. Who knows? Okay, let's go back to the heat map. Well, anyways, you get the idea. Alright. So that's very cool. So what do we do from here? Well, looking at this again, it has all the features that I want using for simulator, but I can actually use this as the front end as for the simulator. And then I'm going to try to find a way using probably something like 0MQ to feed data into this. Like I said, I've sourced out where and how This application acquires this data, how it's fed in real time, like this, with a bid and ask and all that stuff. So that's kind of going to get worked out over the next little bit, and I'll probably do some more demos on that. Any of the future trades I do will be put into my what do we call it? My elite membership. So all this moving forward, all this data, all this stuff will be fed into my elite. Now, obviously, one of the requirements for this to work is you need Infragistics for this type of charting. It is a commercial product. It's one of the requirements to use this type of charting pack. There's a lot more to it than just this type of application, and plan to do some more interfaces. I'm also going to probably use lightning chart at a later date. So any of the code changes I make, I most likely can't distribute it, just due to obvious reasons. But I'll probably put code snippets in there to my elite members to show them what gets changed and how to implement it. As I said, there's already one. I've added one fix as in here. I've posted that into my membership for people to understand how to update the proper references to get this built and successfully running, as you can see. So there you go. And I must add, okay, so we have here, this is the equity trader, okay, and this is this video here, and then there's the other video of where's my other one? The IG Finance dashboard, the first video I showed before this one in YouTube, and that is similar, but this one I just showed you in this video is a more advanced video or application. But this other one allows you, it's a lighter version of it, just more like just viewing charts, but you have the ability also to develop the same type of app in iOS, or I think it looks like Android too may be an option. So it's very powerful, and I might go down that path as well. Okay, so I just want to let you know this is Infragistics now working beautifully. I do really like this charting library, among other interfaces and GUI kind of stuff. So, hope you enjoy it, and I can see where this is going. Talk to you later.